Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to sum entire rows and columns in Excel. Here I have quarterly data for 5 people. The usual manual way is to type equals sum and then select the cells you want to add. But there's an easier way. Click on the total cell, then go to the Home tab. In the editing section, click on AutoSum. Excel will automatically write the sum formula and select the cells to add. If there is any missing value between the cells, Excel may not select all the cells correctly. In that case, you can manually adjust the selection by dragging from the corner of the highlighted area. There is also a keyboard shortcut for this. Just click on the total cell and press Alt equals, and Excel will instantly add the values. You can use the same method to add rows as well, not just columns. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.